There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make your lips look fuller in the simplest way ever. Like, trust me, if I'm saying in the simplest way ever, that means I'm gonna do it in the simplest way you have never seen before. Keep watching the video. Do subscribe my channel for more weekly videos I upload on every TTS, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification when I upload my next video. Let's jump in the video. Keep watching and let's get started. So this is my natural lip shape. Now I'm gonna overline my lips with this darker shade lip liner. I'm using in the shade chocolate brown. So first I'm starting with overlining my lips, and I'm overlining with the darker shade lip liner. Don't worry, we are almost there. Have patience and trust the process. We are done outlining our lips. I like it extra dark on the outline. Now I'm done overlining my lips. Now I'm gonna fill a new lipstick. So you can use any liquid lipstick or a stick lipstick or a pencil lipstick, that's absolutely fine. I'm using a liquid nude lipstick. You have to fill in all over. Going back with the lip liner to darken the outline. Now I'm going to take a black pen liner and I'm going to underline black liner on the ends. And there you go, your perfect pouty lips is ready. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. As I said, I'm gonna do it in the simplest way ever. You have never seen that before. I hope I did the same. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.
Is thinking about you not doing well.